Good morning, YouTube. This is Industrial Motor Inc. Just arrived to my dealership, to the mechanic shop. Usually what I do my to-do list. Joe, pass me that board right there, the board. Don't know where is the pen. Quel pencil, the little, damn, I always lost the marker, yeah, that's how you call it. So what we supposed to do today, Joe? So let's go take a look at C-Max, Chevy Equinox. I'm gonna drive the Chevy Equinox in, Joe. Open the door. I'm gonna drive it in. This is our inventory. This is what we have. We are in 31 Link Street, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Industrial Motor Inc. If you guys need anything, you can call the number 401-724-5878. This car right here is for sale. Nice Equinox. It's making a noise in the back. I'm gonna take it inside, see if I can fix it. If we can find out why it's making that little noise. It's not major. All set? So the noise is coming from over here, Joe, somewhere around here. I can feel it.
Wheel?
It might be the muffler. We're supposed to do oil change on this car. This is the shop pickup truck. We used to, we do tires with this truck. We have air compressor, and we used to junk tires and metal, crap metal, doing construction over there. They are investing $2 million in that parking lot to make it nice. I don't know what they're doing over there, but they're gonna make it quick. Hey, how you doing?
Morning.
Good, how are you?
Good.
Louis.
Louis, nice to meet you.
Yeah, he's from...
How are you?
I'm good. You from Snap-on? What do you have for me?
How's everything?
Everything good so far.
You get the place stocked up nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are you coming from?
What we doing?
Before, were you working somewhere else?
Oh, no. I used to own a trucking company.
Oh, really?
Yeah, used to own a trucking company. It was you one time on the phone that Paul told you to swing by. It was you?
Yeah,
Yeah.
come by a couple times.
We ended up buying some toolbox. This mechanic had his own tools. Well, yeah. Do you have a contact?
Oh, yeah. Mutual account. Yeah.
Yep.
It's dangerous.
Oh.
Very dangerous. Just go, just check it out.
No, because you put line, right?
No,
He's a mechanic, a wellness coach, a
because
fitness
this
coach.
Let me give everybody a quick tour of the dealer. This is water. This is my grip. Cameras, we got cameras all the way around.
Yeah, buddy.
This is a Cape Verdean woman. We call this Badia. Badia. We have our license, Pawtucket dealer license, valid dealer license. This is the repair shop license, another dealer license, up to date. It's valid until the end of the year, 2026. This license, this is Cape Verde. This is my country. I am from Cape Verde. Don't forget that. Don't ever forget that. Industrial Motors celebrating 40 years in business.
Big 40.
It's not over until you lose. It's not over when you lose. It's over when you...
Never.
What the fuck is that? This is my family. And so look, this is Industrial Motors. This is the people this is years ago, 1980, 1970 something. This is the people that used to own it. This people, I don't know which one is Paul. This is Paul.
No, the Henry started the thing, and then his sons used to help him.
This is Paul, I think.
That's not Paul.
Chalmers. I mean, Paul was supposed to know. This is the people
that they owned it.
Yeah, they own it and they sold it to Paul. Yeah. That's what it is. And then this is Louis' family. This is my family, beautiful family. We have 2 remote start jobs to do, yo. We have that one and we have this 2 remote start. We actually have 3 remote start jobs. I have another one. This is the day I bought the business. This is Paul. This is the guy that sold me the business. He retired. He's 70. This is my lawyer, my realtor when we bought it. This is it. This is Cape Verde, my country. I love my country.
What's that thing for?
It's called Cabasa. It's just a safe thing, but yeah, I used to. So this is it. Let's go. Joe is doing a evap test on this car. Let's put in a smoke machine. Let's take this phone call. See what's up. Hello? Industrial Motors, good morning. Yeah, nu te faz escalação. Você pode drive ele para ali, que tem plate and registration? Yeah, essa mesmo rotors and pads. Mas tem light no quadrante, engine light. Que tipo de carro? Toma meu número, text meu número da passa da job ele. Mas probably quando dinheiro se job ele põe coisa ali. Yeah. Usually a linha número ali vou mandar uma mensagem para meu número da passa ali da job ele. É que ser registrado, right? Então tá para job ele. Meu número é 401 Minha telefone 208-5359. Text me address. Então hoje não vai jogar ainda hoje. Bye. So Chris, that was a customer. She has a 2010 Jeep Patriot. Patriot. Nothing wrong with the car. I mean, it needs brakes. No lights on the dash, no nothing. We're gonna offer how much? I'm looking to give her 500. We gotta do the brakes, yeah. All around, yeah. 600, yeah. She say less than 1,000. She say he didn't do some less than. I forgot to ask. I was supposed to ask if she has a title. I forgot to ask.
Oh, she's trying to sell the car?
She's trying to sell the car.
Oh, I didn't know that. Yeah.
Yeah, 600.
Hold on. You gotta wait till the car get. You told her 600 on the phone?
No, I never did. But she already agreed something less than 1,000. She wants to
How
jump.
miles the car though?
Low mileage. She said low mileage.
Hey, babe, we should get it.
Yeah.
We should get it.
Yo, Chris, one thing we gotta do, cause I wanna keep moving. I wanna do sales, and I wanna up my inventory.
Right.
I wanna lower push. I wanna
You wanna lower the price of the car?
lower the price, cause I wanna get, but I'ma sell every car as is. Even if I make a little bit of profit, I'ma sell everything as is, and then go to the auction. My goal.
That's a great
Yeah,
support.
yeah. I want to rotate though, because this is the thing. If you don't sell a car to one person, that person will go find a car somewhere else, and then you lose the business. So we lower the money, we make less money, but we do quick flips. They not get in the car, yeah. Yo, this guy was here yesterday. Came all the way from Boston. They was trying to spend $2,000 on the car, like.
Well, okay, that's why we need to find like cars that like come one quick car. We got our car as is, no warranty.
Yeah, I feel you, but that's the problem. When you sell car cheaps like that, it might come problems.
Exactly, but the thing is, you can't sell it to girls. But guys, yeah. But girls, no.
They will come back and
But that's why you gotta make them realize, like, when you tell them the car.
Correct. Yep. Joey was able to.
Yo, this is the hardest problem that
Hold on, blow up smoke again? Oh, I thought it was like,
that smoke with the evap.
yeah, in the car high, man.
Yo, it was saying on the dash coming from the cap, the fuel cap.
Yeah, Cap got him hold out.
Nah,
Clean it
that's
up.
the easiest answer.
Yeah.
Ray.
Yeah. This is a mechanic, it's 90.
Right. That's the RV. It's gonna be a mechanic nightmare. That's the RV
got
to
the-
take the engine light off.
What? That's CRV?
Remember the copyright. If you,
Oh, shoot.
yeah.
Who wants smoke with me?
So Joe, what we doing? We doing the oil change on the. We doing the oil change.
Because I have to press. That's from the tank.
You want me to press it for you?
That comes, but you see, it has no. You see the pressure that came out right there? If it had a leak, that pressure would not be there. How you gonna have? Yeah, you see the pressure that came out.
No, it's not here, but over here it's fine. Everything is fine
I
here.
have Broadway tire.
To do what? Nah, Joe's better than all of them over there, bro. What are you talking about? This is the best mechanic in Pawtucket.
Honestly, you know that I hate them. I went over there to do it. Oh, that shit took an hour.
Yeah.
I started falling asleep. I went up there like, yo, what's going on with my oil change? They're like, oh, I went for oil change. I'm like, what are you talking about?
I went for oil
I'm like,
change.
yo, why didn't have 15-minute oil changes if it's gonna take an hour?
Yeah. Joe, we doing that. Should I go pick it up, that filter? Put under industrial?
Yesterday?
Yeah. $40. And we're gonna use that oil, right?
$20.
It's gonna be $40. You got this
No, with the discount, with the industrial thing.
for the filter?
Yeah. Let's go, Chris. Let's go.
Yeah, all the filters are good.
So Joe, it's nothing that we need to do on the pickup truck, right? Even if you put the CBL, it will still go ping, ping, ping. Yo, we gotta put the plate on it. We gotta get the plate from Chevy. I'm gonna grab the key. You go get it. I'm gonna grab this. You go get it. Get the plate. I want you guys to follow this journey. We're gonna grow this grill dealership, and we're gonna do everything we can to be the #1 used car dealer in Rhode Island. With honesty, transparency, we're not looking to lie to nobody. We're not looking to do nothing bad to nobody. This is a weird noise coming out the car. Yeah, guys, we're looking to do everything the way it's supposed to be. We're looking to driving like a shit. We're going to this customer. This woman called. She has a vehicle for sale.
You bring an OBD scanner?
Shit, what is that?
The thing that scans the codes. I can work for it. You guys, there's any codes in the car.
Oh, put the machine on it, right?
You need one of those.
How can I turn around and go back?
Don't worry. Next street, thing.
Yeah, so we're gonna probably offer $600. That's what I'm thinking.
We'll see when we get there. The key is don't get excited
the car.
about the key. I've been doing this a little bit. Don't get excited about the car. Put out every little thing, and we gonna lower the price because she obviously needs the money for the car.
Yeah. Sometimes not. Sometimes not just that she needs the money. Sometimes she
Or they trying to
it's
buy a new car.
it's a junk. She's tired of it.
Yep. Also,
that's-
one thing too, we gotta make sure the car warms up all the way before we take it on test drive. So we can whatever is wrong with it. Because sometimes when the car is warming up, you can't see everything that's good. But when it's warming up, it's like you start doing
If it's licking,
Yep.
she told me it has a brake problem. It needs brakes.
brakes or it has a brake problem. We're gonna find out.
They're gonna find out. They jump real quick and grab it. They doing $2 million job over here.
So on the playground.
Yeah. I think you should grab another battery. It's fully charged on top of the desk, so we can record everything. Yeah, my boy Joe, that's my brother right here. Joe, what is it? Grab the red one. Now grab the red one, small one, or the black one, the one that Joe has it. What is it? Joe, don't let it shake because it's gonna be too shaky. Damn, well, how I can find the red one, the small one?
The small one's over there.
Yeah, let's get that one. That's fine. Joe, this pickup is turning real hard.
I need a power steering. Yo, the fuck that camera is doing is showing upside down now.
No idea.
I gotta go figure it out.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to scan this code.
Oh.
The ABS, because you have a ABS sensor, you gotta replace. I told you, right?
Yeah.
This way.
But that's fine.
The
We
rest
don't
of
have
it.
to
You
worry
get a
about
registered? You can get this car registered?
I wanted to, but we gotta make sure it's right before
Oh,
we
you
do
trying to
it.
scan it? Let's scan it.
No. We're gonna scan the car that we're gonna buy. Cause
Oh, you
No,
gotta go.
you know what you should do?
we're gonna go give this lady $500 for the car. I'll be right back.
You know what you do, bro?
Yeah.
Oh. Yo, this nigga's gonna die with that.
Yeah.
Yo, oh God, bro, I had a car. It had an EVAP code. You know what the mechanic told me? Just drive it. Somebody just drive it. What you mean? You try to pass inspection. Just drive it. Somebody fuck it.
Yo, EVAP is the worst.
Nah, but the thing about this thing is, like, I don't know. I have little rules I drive by when I'm.
How long you been in Pawtucket?
But it's just a year now. Just moved out.
Bro, I've been here for
last
almost
December.
4 years and I don't know nothing. I don't know Pawtucket like that.
If I drive through places once, I remember. I have a good memory.
Damn, nah, me.
Good memory.
She's right here, bro. 1 minute. You thought it was far, huh?
Then why we go the other way? But yeah, what now?
Let me call her. What's the house number? Let me see.
Right here? Yeah, I'm gonna call you later.
Hey, in Sonora, Catarina. All right, 215. This is 214. What is 215? That one, right? Park right there. Park right. We gotta fucking hustle, bro. This might be money right here. Take a look at it. All right. What happened? That's the bad one. Damn, I was fucking clean. Now I'm all dirty just because I drove that car. Tell Joe, come get your car, huh? What do you say? Why?
I'm getting more in the car.
Wait, where is the scanner?
It's in the car.
E mare, Caterina, tudo direto? Aha. No, vem comigo. Só fish, helping, assim que temos sushi. It trabalha right away?
Yes, I mean, estava com a garagem.
We were supposed to bring the jump, I forgot, the jump start.
Was working, been worked for.
Nah, we took it off. Bugat ni jump cable. Yo, Chris! Você tava para jump ito man. Go get the jump. You like the Jeep? It's a 2010. Cat. Smells like cat. She's selling the house. Yo.
Bitch is battery.
Joe, DTC. Joe, as a code. 6.
You gotta scroll down.
You got the chance to scroll down. That's the problem.
That's not
Huh?
Go scroll down.
This code is nothing.
Scroll down. Evap,
Very small leak.
Yeah.
Intake manifold.
vertical circuit. You gotta clean up the throttle bottle. You gotta clean up the throttle body. You gotta clean up the master first.
But don't you think it's because it's been sitting for a little bit?
Yeah. You told somebody professional communication probably because more leak. Yeah, you go back for the battery. That's what you got.
So sometimes my driving might go away.
Yes.
Good morning. Trattampo di olio, la vuoi che ti blow by?
There's a blow by. When the air comes out right there. If they blow by, so we can jump with this. Blow by. If they don't blow by, go.
I don't think so. It's worth it, bro. It's gonna be a headache. What do you think? Hey, sell it to. We can put on ACV too, huh? Not gonna give me that much.
Nobody heard the dog.
What's the mileage? I never took 61,000.
Yeah, I got when I bought it.
Damn,
I bought it for 40.
61,000.
Yeah, it's look. I'm not.
Just do it, huh?
That's a big job. Oh no.
Joe, take a look. Take a look. What's the Joe? Put the jump. 82,000. Yo, shake the red or the black. Yeah. 82,000 mileage. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna think about the house too. Yeah, tell my wife. All right, thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Probably every fucking door it's open at the dealership. They log everything. Oh.
Hey, I didn't hit there. Yo, that's my cousin, bro.
You got too many cousins, bro.
Yo, that's my cousin, for real.
He's like, this house? That's my cousin. Man, it's not that.
Yo, everybody went to Oran.
No, this is a CBL. This is not the thing. This is, I know,
That's the
that's a CBL. The other one is not a CBL.
Which one is the other?
So just came home, grabbed my food, then let's go back to work. There is a pole, right?
I grabbed the
Oh, you gotta buy? Or should we go to your house and driving this car is like driving a Caterpillar?
driver.
Yeah, my phone is not working as well. Yeah, but it's with Verizon, I believe. You got Verizon?
How much y'all pay for your phone? $8 a month?
A month?
How much you pay for your plan?
I don't know. I paid 200 something.
Yeah, cause you have your wife and shit.
Check it out. Check what it is. Yo, good you go ahead.
I don't give a fuck.
Finish that.
Fucking tastes like. How can I remove this,
That's how
bro?
you do it. No.
This motherfucker wants me to suck.
That's a crazy. That's a crazy cup. How many compartments that shit got?
Yo, it tastes good. You can tell that it's something that it's gonna clean all.
That's what I do. That's what I do for it's gonna be
Look,
set.
I got my bottle right there. Look,
You just one thing you make it wrong.
ginger and
No,
lime.
don't tell me one thing you make it wrong. You put
I
it
don't
in
know.
a bottle plastic, it's eating it. You can put lemon, lemon's acid. And then you put it in a bottle, plastic bottle. Never put in this one. You see, I don't put tea on the plastic.
So on the aluminium.
It has to be aluminum or stainless steel. You cannot put. This is not made to get anything but
You
water.
don't do no sugar.
That's not sugar. That's honey.
What's that cup made out of?
I can feel this
Stainless steel.
sugar coming out.
This man has metal cups. He's like,
Let me finish it. Welcome to Industrial Motor Inc., located in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. We are a used dealer. We have all this vehicle for sale. Before we give the car to the customer, we take each one of them, take them inside and do a complete walk around and a complete inspection. Right now at the moment, we have the C-Max. We're doing an evap test, smoke test. That's the only thing wrong with that car. We have the Chevy Equinox, beautiful car. Nice SUV, 2013. It has a muffler problem. This is what we do. We fix every single one before we give to our customer. You can come visit us at 31 Link Street, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. You can call to book your appointment. The number is 401-724-5878. We have a website. The link is up. Click the link and check our inventory. We're waiting for you. We got your back. Thank you.